Welcome to Pestosys LLP. Here we provide innovative solution for pest management, focusing on preserving biodiversity. Rats can be a significant problem, causing losses and diseases. But with our diverse range of rat traps, you have the power to control this issue effectively. Our offerings include everything from traditional metal cages and bucket traps to modern snap and zapper traps. For a more eco-friendly approach, our rat run green bait offers an innovative way to manage the rat population. Using natural ingredients, this bait dehydrates and shrinks the rat, offering an human and environment-friendly solution. We also provide potent chemical solutions and gases to eliminate the rats if in case there is role of pest control service provider when necessary. These products are designed for efficiency and safety, ensuring minimal harm to the environment. For prevention, our line of rat repellent can help more these pests at bay. These products are safe to use in various environments and can deter rats from invading your property. In our quest for preserving biodiversity, we provide natural method to control rat population. This includes biological product that naturally deters the rats. We promote the use of predator and integrated pest management technique, a comprehensive approach involving various methods and practices for sustainable pest management. At Pestosys LLP, we prioritize your safety and the preservation of nature. With our product, you can manage rat population effectively while playing your part in conserving the biodiversity. Thank you very much.